how to use multiple coupons on SHEIN. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use multiple coupon codes in your SHEIN account. So first of all you have to do is just open the preferred browser, and after that just simply search for SHEIN and you will be landed to the official website of SHEIN. And after that just simply log into your account with your credentials, and once you are logged in into your account, just simply click on the profile icon from the top right corner of the screen. And on the first screen itself you will be able to see this coupon section right here. Just simply tap on it, and once you are there you will be able to see the unused coupon code that you have in your account already added by the SHEIN, and you can also see the expiry soon and the new coupon codes that are there in the SHEIN account that has been added in your all coupon code section in your coupon codes. So basically there isn't any option for you to use multiple coupon codes in your SHEIN account as of now, because once you purchase any item there is an option to apply a coupon code for you, and you can only apply one coupon code at a time. If you try to use multiple coupon code, the SHEIN will not allow you to do so. Just simply select the coupon code that will get you maximum benefit out of the order that you would want to purchase, and just select that particular item or the coupon code along with the purchase that you want to make. And once you select the coupon code of your choice, just apply that particular coupon code to your account, and after that just proceed to checkout. So I hope I'm able to answer your question regarding adding multiple coupon codes to your SHEIN account. It is not possible as of today. Whenever there is a new update, I will update you guys soon. And yeah, that is it for this video for now. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.